Hi all. After the stupendous success of the South Korea workshop, we got so much of response from the participants, and I'm really thankful to my audience for giving me so much of respect. And now I am again in front of you. In fact, the whole November will be a pack of workshops. To start with, we will start with Dubai. Yeah, the smartest city, the most trending city now with the tax free income. So, all the know hows about Dubai and to remove all the myths about Dubai. So, I am coming with the workshop, and it will just unlock a gateway to so much of success and opportunities you just cannot imagine. So, join my workshop. It is on the 12th. Don't miss it. And for all your convenience, we do it in the evening 5 p.m. every time. So this time also it's 5 p.m. Thank you. I am Ajanta from Yes Vidya. I'm the director and also your coach for all your international queries. Thank you.